Well, the countdown is on. Only 60 days left in 2021. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, just checking in to see how your goals are coming along. So with 60 days left, that means only 60 morning cups of joe to put you through the holidays, and make sure you get those pesky last minute goals that are still hanging around at the bottom of your 2021 to-do list. Now, the good news is that if any of those goals have anything to do with real estate, we're here to help. If you're still looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate before the end of the year, let us know. We're happy to do a step-by-step plan. Maybe you're looking to sell or buy the first part of next year, and we can also put together a step-by-step plan this last 60 days to make sure you're ready for the new year of 2021. Look forward to talking with you, your friends, or family, and making sure your real estate goals for 2021 are all wrapped with a beautiful bow before the holidays.